Hello, dear IncrediMail fans. Many of you are probably missing the colorful and creative email features since IncrediMail was discontinued. Don't worry, I have great news for you. There is a fantastic successor, KUNOMAIL. In this video, I show you why KUNOMAIL is the perfect replacement and how you can easily switch. What is KUNOMAIL? KUNOMAIL is a modern email client that was developed especially for those who loved the creative and animated world of IncrediMail. With KUNOMAIL, you can bring your emails to life again, and even better than before. IncrediMail has enabled us to work with colorful designs, animations, and 3D effects. KUNOMAIL goes one step further, with fresh modern interfaces that are easy to use. 3D avatars and animations, even more interactive and appealing. If you are familiar with IncrediMail, you will immediately feel at home with KUNOMAIL. It was developed to be simple and intuitive. Use beautiful templates, background images, and animations to make your messages unique. KUNOMAIL is super easy to use. Whether you are writing, receiving, or organizing emails, everything runs smoothly. Are you wondering how to switch from IncrediMail to KUNOMAIL? Don't worry, it's easy. Download and install KUNOMAIL. Visit the official KUNOMAIL website and download the latest version. Import emails. You can easily set up your existing email accounts and even import older emails. Design and get started. As soon as KUNOMAIL is set up, you can get started right away and design your emails creatively and personally. If you need help switching, don't worry. On the KUNOMAIL YouTube channel, you will find detailed explanatory videos that show you step-by-step how to switch from IncrediMail to KUNOMAIL. The links to the corresponding YouTube videos can be found in the comments section of this video. With the IncrediMail importer from KUNOMAIL, you can easily transfer your IncrediMail content to the new creative email platform. This importer allows you to effortlessly convert self-created letters, e-cards, contacts, and selected emails, import of .imc files, and conversion of letter templates, transfer of e-cards, contacts, and GIFs, import of images and sound files. After successful installation, you will find the importer in the menu under Options. This way you can use all your valuable IncrediMail content quickly and easily in KUNOMAIL. For more information and to purchase the importer, please visit www.kunomailshop.de. In this video, we show you how you can easily import your valuable content from IncrediMail into KUNOMAIL. With the IncrediMail importer, you can effortlessly transfer your emails, contacts, letter templates, and even images so that you can continue to be creative and productive. We guide you step by step through the entire import process and give helpful tips to ensure the transition goes smoothly. Whether you need technical support or just want to know how the import works, this video has the answers you're looking for. You can find the link to this video in the comments section. Thank you for your valued attention. We hope that you are now well informed to transfer your IncrediMail content to KUNOMAIL without any problems. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment. We will be happy to help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to always receive the latest tips and tricks for KUNOMAIL. Have fun designing your emails with KUNOMAIL.